I rise, I fight, I win. What? No change, no cage, don't bow to me.
大家好，我係火影先生。今日我哋嚟同大家講下，如果我哋喺街裏面遇到一啲黐黐地線嘅人攻擊我哋應該點樣做
？Today we are demonstrating how a crazy guy attack a professional fighter.
好，咁我哋做一個黐線佬去攻擊我，我而家就去示範下點樣去做法。跟住而家就由佢去示範下，我去做一個黐線佬，佢點樣去抵擋我嘅攻擊啊！我就插入去拎佢隻腳，然之後用重力打，跟住再呢個咩控制住。跟住我哋去練習一下點樣去逃避 Leon Belly 嘅控制。
Now we are trying out how to block the Leon Belly attack.